Amen.
Open that right there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Which way is the left?
This one.
Which way is the left? Which way is the left?
No.
Show me which way. Yes, that's the left. You got to get on your knees, you don't know how to squat?
Because it's difficult. Whenever I squat, because I'm high and I'm trying to get a little bit low so I can get a good shot.
You can get a good shot.
Yep.
That's interesting. Don't you let that screw fall down that tub. Once you get on your take a squat, man.
If I get on my knee down, I wouldn't be able to catch it.
There you go. One knee at the minimum.
Yep.
So what we have here is a moderate drip from the hot water side of the faucet. I can't see what you're doing. What? On the hot water. Thank you. I just thought that was going to happen.
Oh my God. You still can put it right there.
Hot water side of the faucet. So we need to remove the trinket. We need to remove the knobs to access the gasket, to change the gasket.
There we go.
So that's the task at hand. Not that one. Pull that out. Pull that knob off. All right, hold up. Let me see. Let me get in there. Switch. Switch.
Okay.
Sit down. Don't block the camera. Sit down. This comes off. Now wobble it, wobble it, wobble it. Yeah. See Looks like somebody pulling this off hard, trying to turn it off. That you trying to turn it off, pulling it hard.
Yeah, because it wouldn't go off.
Don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. I've learned to like pipe wrenches where the pipe wrenches go. right, Charlie Laffy Lucy.
Look at this is a quick way to help you. You put down see L's on your finger, and wherever is right, that's right, and wherever is not right, is left.
Great, great. Appreciate that.
Quick way, if you don't know it.
What?
We took them.
What? Dad, you just fixed it the other day before Auntie
Go
called.
get my flashlight off of
I'm about to go
my
get it.
desk.
I'm about to go get it.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix this.
I want some cereal now.
Right.
Oh, after you're done fixing it, because you said you have to finish fixing it and then you're going to make us a bowl of cereal. Sorry.
Keeper's really get sick. I'm trying not to get sick as well.
Yeah, please. I hope you're not watching the camera. I hope nobody's just looking at your chest.
It's saying, stop standing there. Let me see. It's saying, maybe move out the way. Only is this showing this blue. You're gonna have to get off the toilet because it's only showing blue in your stomach.
Why not? Let me see.
It was showing blue until you got up. That's clear enough.
Oh, you're right.
It's clear enough. Jay, Daddy said, what?
Daddy said, go. Hey, Daddy said, go. Or, no TV. No TV, Daddy said.
I did just change this. What's coming through that water that's eating this rubber up like this? Now that's something interesting.
Probably the boiled water.
Is it a mouse?
No, but there's a mouse in here.
No, we don't
Get out
have
the way.
one.
But
Get out the way.
that thing on the end was nice and thick, but it's this blue.
Oh no, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
I think
What could
there's
be
a bug
doing
in
that?
there that's chewing it up. I'm never gonna take a bath if there's a bug in there.
Don't say that again.
Or something that's chewing it. You think I'm watching TV? Come on, Grandpa.
No, no TV today, right now. Okay, so I can
Maybe
change
later
this.
on. Later on,
I can change
maybe.
this.
Later
I have
on, you
one.
can watch TV, but for now, just play with your toys. Later on, James will watch something.
Later on, like from afternoon, you can watch TV because we just woke up.
Grandma, me and you got school in the morning.
No, we don't.
Today's Sunday, Monday. Oh, we don't because we don't got school on Monday.
Yeah, because Mommy said we got school on like.
Tuesday. Oh,
Yeah, so-
I thought we had.
So what day is it today?
On Sunday.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, we go to school on Tuesday.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is too big for this, it looks like.
Oh yeah.
Well, lucky
This
it's
is
not
stretch.
showing no blue.
Yeah.
It might be a cockroach or a motion there.
Yeah. You get what my senses are getting so irritated. It's like
White.
it's like getting crazy and going chaos. It's like something is eating this thing up.
What are you talking about?
My senses. They're like making me go crazy because I'm confused
It's saying
and I'm curious
move.
what's in there.
It's saying every time you get
Oh, your
close.
senses.
Yeah,
So every
it's
time
like-
you get close, the camera starts
because
going
it tells
blue.
me what is there. What is
JJ,
there?
get out the way.
Get
the
out the
camera.
bathroom, James. It's not this bathroom not big enough for everybody. James, get out.
Well, he could stand right there and say this, he can't come in.
And then that was doing wrong. I don't know why my head was like going chaos.
So I'm in my email.
Nothing. We don't know.
It's kind of something eating that thing up, like chewing it.
It can't be a fish. Fish
I'm
don't live in
change
hot
this
water.
It might be a shark. Sharks don't live.
It would be too big. The shark is too big to fit in there.
But it's too big for a megalodon to fit in there.
But Megalodon, he's bigger than the house.
Yeah.
Actually, he's the size of a house. Godzilla, of course not. He's big as a step on the house.
Because a megalodon is bigger than the whole Earth.
But Godzilla
What?
Earth is bigger.
Bigger than the whole Earth.
You saw how big he was?
Yeah, like if he's bigger than the whole Earth, then he's not gonna be able to breathe. Like his head was sticking out for
Godzilla can
space.
breathe in space.
Cause his head is gonna be like sticking out from space. Cause Godzilla Earth is super big. He's like bigger than us. Godzilla Earth, he's a different kind of dinosaur. He's not a dinosaur, he's a different kind of dinosaur, but his name is Godzilla. His real name is Godzilla Earth, because that's his real name, Godzilla Earth. Sorry. Can I go walk in your chair?
Huh?
He wants to go sit in your chair in your
Just go ahead.
Sonny, can you go
Hey,
wake
excuse me. There's no need to turn these knobs super hard. All you gotta do is close the valves.
Daddy, every time we turn it, mommy keep turning it back all the way, and we can't even turn it because every time we turn the hot water on, it won't turn up. So that's why we keep trying to turn it hard, because that knob won't turn on. So that's why.
Okay, go rock in my chair, but do not touch that paper.
Sonny, go wake Isaac up.
Yeah, you're right. Oh,
We're almost about to eat breakfast, and I'm gonna wake up and be like he's hungry, and then Daddy's not gonna be cooking anything else because Isaac can stay down there by himself eating.
Word. No, I'm bad to be doing about to be cooking and stuff.
No, you're gonna be making cereal, and then you're probably not gonna be wanting to go back downstairs. I mean, you do go downstairs, it's just you don't go down there very much.
Which one is closed? This one right here is open.
It's this, that is loose.
Close this one open right now.
Alright, Isaac wake up, but he wanted me to give him a mugga, so I gave him a mugga.
What?
Why it called mugga?
Because a mugga is like hug, but a mugga is like between your nose, like both of y'all put
Excuse me.
your nose on the nose.
Okay, guys.
Exit stage right.
Huh?
Exit stage right.
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting
kid's
my
not there.
I'm gonna go down and turn the water on and see if it's fixed.
You gave Sadie a mugga. He's gonna pee. Go.
Wait.
Can't pee yet. The water is not even in the toilet. Sonny, come on, this the water is not even in the toilet. All the water up, so all the water is going. Yep, it's the water's still there, but it was going before. Dad. Dad. Dad.
Jane, take that downstairs. Jane, come here. Take it downstairs. Take it downstairs. Yep, fixed.